The Hiseeu solar security camera system combines solar panels with high-capacity rechargeable batteries, so the cameras stay powered outdoors without running new wiring or worrying about frequent charging. Its 4-megapixel resolution and dedicated night vision modes deliver noticeably sharper video than standard high-definition systems, with enough clarity to recognize faces and details even in very low light. The included monitor with a 10-inch screen makes it easy to review footage and manage the system locally, which is especially convenient for households that do not want to rely only on phones or computers. Built-in motion sensing that focuses on human activity, along with light and sound alerts plus two-way audio, lets you both deter intruders and talk to visitors directly through the cameras. Pan and tilt control with a wide viewing angle, combined with app notifications over 2.4 GHz wireless networking, allows you to cover more of your property and check in from almost anywhere. Efficient video compression and the pre-installed hard drive give you long-term recording capacity, while the rugged weather-resistant housings are designed to handle year-round outdoor conditions.